noticed in this 2005 BMW 6 Series. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle with a powerful 8-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. GPS navigation will guide you to your destination. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Let the sunshine in with a sunroof. And memory settings are one of many features. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing vehicle. Air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.